Hello everyone, welcome back to Meticulous Business Plans. In this video, we will explore Nepal to understand business opportunities. If you want to know potential business opportunities in Nepal that have huge demand and growth potential, then this video is for you. Before deciding a business idea to start in Nepal, you need to understand resources available, demand, supply, and target market of Nepal and have to study this region in depth on various parameters. First, let's see some interesting facts about Nepal. The major parts of Himalayas are in Nepal. It is the only country in the world with non-rectangular national flag. It is birthplace of Lord Gautam Buddha. It is the only place in the world where living goddess Kumari is found. It was never under any foreign invasion. Now let's understand and know about Nepal in detail. Geography. It is a country in southern Asia with total area of 147,516 square kilometer, out of which 92.94% is land and 7.06% is water. It shares its boundaries with China and India. The highest point of the country is Mount Everest with a height of 8,848 meter and lowest point is Mukhyapatti Musharnia which is 59 meter. It has a tremendous geographic diversity and falls in the temperate zone north of the Tropic of Cancer. The geographical region of the country is divided into three main regions: Himalayan region, Mid-Hill, and the Tarai region. The average temperature in the country drops 6 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meter you gain in altitude. Now let's talk about population. The total population of the country is 29,759,961 in the year 2021 and the population density is 203 per square kilometer. Now let's have a look at economy and industrial scenario. It is one of the underdeveloped country in the world and it will soon graduate to a developing country by the year 2024. The country is largely dependent of agriculture and remittances. It has total nominal GDP of $36 billion and GDP growth rate of 2.7% in the year 2021. The employment rate of the country is 74.2% and the unemployment rate is 1.47%. The main industries of the country are tourism, carpets, textile, small rice, jute, sugar and oilseed mills, cigarettes, cement and brick production. It ranks 94th in the case of doing businesses in the year 2020. The main export partners of the country are India, USA, Turkey. The main imports partner are India and China. Now let's understand transport facilities. It is a landlocked mountainous country which makes the transportation difficult due to the terrain. It has a total 80,078 km of road network. There are only two railway lines in the country due to its terrain. People of Nepal primarily use roadways for transportation. It has a large air network made up of 48 airports in the country. Let's look at industrial schemes and policies. The government of Nepal has introduced many policies and reforms to help the startup culture to grow in each sector which will help their economy to grow like income tax waiver. 2.5 million in the loan at 1% interest rate using the startup's business proposal as collateral and rupees 1 billion was allocated for attracting the foreign investment. Let's understand upcoming and ongoing projects. The upcoming and ongoing mega projects of Nepal are Sikta Irrigation Project, Bahri Badai Diversion Multipurpose Project, Kathmandu Terai Express, East-West Railway, Pokhara Regional International Airport. Now let's see the top industry-wise business ideas. Nepal economy tops the chart in a range of industries from the agriculture, tech, healthcare, travel and tourism. Agriculture. The potential business opportunities for agriculture sector in the country consist of organic fertilizers, sunflower farming, organic farming, fertilizer, poultry farming, dairy farming and hydroponics. For example, to start a hydroponic farm in 1 acre area of land, the total cost will be $200,000 to 300,000. That mainly includes cost of roofing $100,000. Tech. The tech industry of Nepal is also growing in the form of startups. The ideas to start a business in this field are mobile and electronic devices shop, edtech, e-commerce, cybersecurity consulting and maintenance, computer training. For example, to start an e-commerce business that focuses on local products, buy sale will require cost of $50,000 to build an app and other $10,000 to set up business. Travel and tourism. This sector is the most profitable and fastest growing sector of Nepal. The potential business ideas for this sector are taxi and bus shuttle service, ticketing reservation service, accommodation service via Airbnb, photography, restaurants and cafe, jeeps and motorcycle rental services, Travel agency. For example, a vehicle rental business will require a capital investment of $200,000 and working capital of $50,000 for first 6 months. The return on investment will be around 10 to 15%. Healthcare. This is also one of the growing domains. The potential business opportunities of this sector are pharmacy, medical tourism, medical devices, and eye care business. For example, to start a medical tourism business, a total cost of $200,000 is required. The expected return on investment from this business are 20 to 25%. Now let's move to another interesting part of the video. Meticulous Business Plan here is working on market research and opportunity analysis of Nepal, and the research is based on availability resources, environment, transport, geography, economy, business environment, and many other factors. The report includes top 10 to 15 business ideas which are most feasible, profitable, and high growing in Nepal. In this report, you will get in detail Nepal analysis, top business ideas, financial requirements of businesses, return on investments, SWOT analysis, Porter's 5 forces of businesses, and much more. So, if you wish to know more about business opportunities in Nepal, then get in touch with us. Meticulous Business Plans is a professional business planning company, and we provide business plans, visa business plans, detailed and bankable project report, market research and opportunity analysis report, investor presentation. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you.